Hey guys, it's me Charlotte and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a thrift flip. I've done a lot of upcycling and DIY videos on my channel, but I have never done a thrift flip. So in this video, I would be flipping the pieces that I thrifted, and I got these before the lockdown from the thrift store. So the two trends that I am tackling in this video is the cord set trend, and I've seen the cord set trend in trend for the longest time. So I would be converting my Tommy Hilfiger blazer that I thrifted into a cute little two-piece set with a cropped blazer and a mini skirt. And the second trend that I am going to flip is the mismatched trend. This has been coming back and I really love the mismatched vibe. It's so artsy, so I'll be doing that. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with the first thrift flip. For the first thrift flip, I am converting this vintage Tommy Hilfiger navy blazer into a crop top and a mini skirt set. And to start with, I am just cropping the blazer and I'm using the notebook as a guide, and I am cutting along, and I cut both the sides and then I cut the back to get the cropped blazer fit. After cropping the blazer, I got two pieces, that is the cropped blazer and the miniskirt piece, and I tried both of the pieces on to see how they looked on my body, and this is how the blazer looked and the skirt needed to go in. So I decided to add a thick pleat at the back by folding the fabric inside like I am showing you in the video. So I'm just measuring the skirt around my waist and I'm creating a pleat, and I would be hand sewing it all the way throughout its length. And this is me just folding the pleat and using a thread and a needle to hand sew it throughout the length. And you can do this with a sewing machine, and if you have a sewing machine, this step would be so much easier and it would be less time consuming. I am just using this simple stitch and I don't know what it is called, but it is pretty durable and sturdy. And then I am just trying the skirt on and I see that it needs to be taken in at the sides. So I'll just fold the fabric in a triangular shape and use the same stitch to stitch it along and make it fit my waist. Once I stitched those triangular sort of dart shapes to fit my waist better, I tried on the skirt and I was pretty happy with how the skirt fit me at this point, but these back slits needed to be taken down. So I then decided to hand stitch these slits to a length where I was comfortable and to the length where I did not really flash anyone while I was sitting down. So I did that, and finally to complete the skirt, I started hemming the place where I cropped the blazer and the skirt to give it that finishing. In case you don't have a needle or a thread, you can do it with a fabric glue or a sewing machine. At this point, I'm just adding a knot at the end of the hem of the skirt, and finally I also hemmed the bottom part of the blazer to give it that finishing that it needed. And that was really it took me a long time to hand sew it, but the result was absolutely worth it. I am so in love with this set. I can't even tell you, it looks so chic and so trendy, and the skirts literally resembles a Versace skirt that I saw. I am so obsessed with this set, and I also added this little gold safety pin detail at the slit, and I am obsessed with this look. This is me just having my own little fashion show in my room because, I was so happy with how this outfit turned out. So the second thrift flip is a deconstructed mismatched shirt dress, and I am converting this shirt with blue and white stripes and this shirt with purple and white stripes into a shirt which has both. So to start with this DIY, I am placing the second shirt on top of the first shirt to see if the buttons align. And once I saw that, I took my old trusty instrument that helps me create these magical DIYs, my scissor, and I cut it along the length of the shirt into a half. You need to be careful when you cut along the neck and the collar because the fabric there is a little thicker and it gets a little difficult to cut it, but I finally managed to do that, and I did the same thing to the purple and the white stripes shirt, and then I have like 4 pieces. This would create 2 different shirts. You can create one for yourself and one for your friend and gift them this, and they would be so happy to get it. Then I'm just aligning the 2 shirts, and make sure that you align the shirts using the collars and not along the hem length. And then I'm just folding the shirt so that I could hem it so that I get clean edges, and I again used my thread and needle and hand stitched both the pieces along the hem to make a clean edge so that when I attach the shirts together there would be no fraying of the fabric. The final step is to hand stitch the 2 different pieces together. I am clearly struggling here because the bulk of the fabric. You can easily create this DIY using a fabric glue, and I totally need to buy one because this is such an easy DIY. I am just hand stitching it all along the length of the shirt. Finally, when I reach the bottom of the shirt, I secure it with a knot so that the stitch does not open. And now it is the time for the final reveal. This is how the shirt looks. It is such a fun little twist to a normal oversized striped shirt. I can wear it as a dress or layer it underneath the skirt that I just created. Super obsessed with this look, so happy with how it turned out, absolutely love it. So guys, I am super excited and I'm super happy with how my 2 little outfits turned out. I literally love them both, and let me know in the comments below which was your favorite thrift flip, the like 2-piece set or the mismatch shirt dress that I created. And in case you have any more DIY ideas or upcycling ideas, leave them in the comments below. And in case you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up because this video literally took 2 weeks of my life, me hand sewing everything together. And yeah, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button, and yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video next Monday. Bye.